Is life the result of divine design, or did it emerge through natural processes over billions of years? Today, we'll explore creation and evolution, a debate that has shaped science, philosophy, and faith for generations. Creationists believe that life and the universe were designed by an intelligent creator. This view often stems from religious texts like the Bible, which states, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." On the other hand, evolutionists argue that life evolved over billions of years through natural selection, as proposed by Charles Darwin in On the Origin of Species. Creationists point to the complexity of life as evidence for intelligent design. The human eye, for instance, has over 2 million working parts. Could such intricate design truly arise by chance? Dr. Michael Behe, a biochemist, describes this as irreducible complexity, systems that require all parts to function and could not have evolved step by step. Additionally, the fine-tuning of the universe suggests purpose. The Earth's distance from the Sun, the precise force of gravity, and the properties of water all seem perfectly aligned for life to exist. Many scientists and theologians argue that these constants are too precise to be mere coincidence. While evolution offers compelling explanations for adaptation within species, it struggles with the origins of life itself. How did non-living chemicals give rise to the first living cell? Despite decades of research, science has yet to replicate this process in a lab. Moreover, the fossil record, often cited as evidence for evolution, raises questions. The Cambrian explosion, a period when most major animal groups appeared suddenly, contradicts the gradual changes predicted by Darwin's theory. The debate isn't just scientific, it's deeply philosophical. Evolution implies a naturalistic worldview where life is a product of random processes. Creation, however, suggests purpose and meaning behind our existence. As Albert Einstein once said, "The more I study science, the more I believe in God." Interestingly, not all see this as an either-or debate. Theistic evolutionists, for example, believe that God used evolution as a tool for creation. This perspective attempts to reconcile faith with scientific discovery, emphasizing that both science and religion seek truth. The debate between creation and evolution continues to inspire awe and curiosity. What do you think? Does life show evidence of intelligent design, or do natural processes explain it all? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore this together. Whether you lean toward creation, evolution, or a blend of both, one thing is clear: the universe is extraordinary, and so is the pursuit of understanding it. What does the origin of life mean to you? Does it change how you see yourself or your purpose in the universe?